Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Calvin 911 Kicks. I'm standing where the wall of ones used to be. So where is it at? I'm bringing you guys a video. This is not a review. Yes it is, because I just relocated the wall of ones. I just finished my project and here it is. Behind me we have the improved wall of ones. Let's check it out. We got the wall of ones made to be moved around. Well, the shoes are rather, not the wall. So what I did, I priced drop front cases, and for the amount of shoes that I have, these aren't actually all of the shoes, but these are all the Jordan 1s. For the amount of Jordan 1s plus the other shoes that I have, it would have cost me upwards of over $400 for drop front cases. So my wife, being the genius that she is, was like, why don't you do shelves, floating shelves? I was like, let's do it. So we went out, we got some wooden planks, basically just did a whole DIY. She stained them for me. She did an amazing job. She's really smart with this stuff. And I just got finished with it. Granted, you can see the brackets up on that one, but don't tell my wife, once I get more shoes and honestly take that place, you won't see those brackets. But I love it because it's literally like you walk in a shoe store and you see them on display, right? So we got the Jordan 1s on display from the bottom to the top. Started from the bottom, now we here. So we got room for more. I'm really excited, I'm really happy. And this is it. So let me know what you think. If you want to know how I did it, send me a message and I'll tell you. I'll tell you right now. We went to Home Depot, we bought some shelves. These are like 12 bucks each. These shelving, 12 bucks each. And my wife bought some stain and some stuff. And we went to Walmart, got some brackets, and then some drywall mount screws. And that's virtually it. I had some of the other stuff. I have a leveler, I have a stud finder and all that stuff. Just to, make sure I'm not drilling into no electricity or if I'm on the stud or off the stud. It was so much cheaper. I think in total I may have spent $100. No, I didn't even spend that much. Probably 70 or 80 bucks, honestly. Or 100, I don't know. But at the most, it was like 100 bucks. And I got my shelving. I've saved space because I have this whole wall and area don't look as cluttered. And I can make it how I want to. If I wanted to, I can get rid of some of the boxes and just display the shoes. Or just move it around how I want to. I may move some of the shoes. I have it stacked up 3 stacks on that bottom, so I may take some of those and fill those in. Then I may not. I may leave it like it is, and then when I want to switch it around and display other shoes, that's what I'll do. But I like it. This is going to be my new backdrop for when I do videos. You're going to see the ones behind me. So this is it. This is the wall of ones. I should try to get a sign to put there. Alright, so hey, this is Calvin 911 Kicks. Let me know what you think about the wall of ones. I'm really excited, I'm really happy, I'm out of breath, and I'm tired because I worked all day and it rained all day. And I came home, showered, and I got right to work. But hey, let me know what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And as the ones come in, we'll see them together. You'll see them with the wall of ones. And let me know what you think. Give my wife a shout out because she's amazing. She hooked me up as she always does. So thank you, babe. And I will see you guys on the next video.